Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's recipe I'm going to show parota. This is very famous in Kerala, known as Kerala parota. Very fluffy and tasty. The soft texture just makes it perfect to have it with any gravy you crave for. Since I visit Kerala, God's own country, for a short vacation every year, I loved it so much. So let's get started. In order to make parota, I've taken flour, which is maida, 2 cups. What we need is salt, 1 teaspoon, sugar, milk, 1/4 cup, soft butter, which is 1 tablespoon. Mix this. So now by adding water, little by little, mix this in order to make a soft dough. Check the texture. Now we need to knead this on a flat surface. Dust some flour. By kneading, it makes the dough perfect. We need the dough like elastic. It should stretch. Knead this dough for at least 3 to 4 minutes to get a soft texture. Check the texture. Very soft. Now what you have to do is apply oil and cover this and keep it for at least 20 minutes. Let's remove this. Check how soft it is dough. Now knead this for at least 1 more minute. Now we'll make like this round shapes and give in portion. So I've got 5 portion from 2 cups. Now what you have to do is apply oil. Parota is basically more of oil. So now by using oil only, flat them up. Or you can even use balan in order to flat this. Spread it out nicely. Once this is flat, you take a and you spread it like this. Now with the help of oil, just sprinkle some oil and bring it closer like this. Now if it breaks, also it doesn't matter. This gives you perfect layer, and from one end you start to roll them. This is how you have to make. Now let's roll one by one. Just press them with the hand or with the rolling pin. Just spread it out like this, and this is ready to fry. Apply butter or ghee. Once you remove, you press it with the hand. Once it is hot, check the layers. This is how paratha should be, soft and fluffy.
Wow, look how lovely parotas my dada made. I love it. Look how delicious it looks. Guys, do try this recipe and you will do love it. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.